Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download cost to charge automation with AEMET Smart, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the cost to charge automation with AEMET Smart, first, ensure you have a compatible device and a stable internet connection. Begin by accessing the official AEMET Smart website through your web browser. Once on the website, navigate to the download section, usually found in the main menu or footer. Look for the cost to charge automation option among the available downloads. Click on the link or button next to the option to start the downloading process. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the download. Click OK or Save to proceed. The file will begin downloading to your device. You can monitor the progress in your browser's download manager. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your device's download folder or the specified location. Before opening the file, ensure that your device meets the system requirements listed on the website. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the cost to charge automation software. You may need to accept the terms and conditions before proceeding with the installation. After the installation is finished, launch the AEMET Smart application from your device. Configure your user settings and preferences to adapt the software to your needs. Finally, explore the features to familiarize yourself with how to effectively use the automation tools. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and set up the cost to charge automation with AEMET Smart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.